Hello friend, this is ZAIN and today I am here to describe Amazon. There are some important points that I will discuss today. So let's start. Number 1. There are 7 continents in this world and South Africa is second largest continent. Amazon is located in South Africa continent. It is a huge forest, that's why it is not located in one country. It's located in 9 countries. But a big part of it is located in Brazil. 60% of Amazon is located in Brazil and 40% is located in 8 other countries. The size of Amazon is 6.7 million kilometer, means 8 times bigger than Pakistan. Number 2. There are 17,000 types of trees are discovered in Amazon and 5,000 types of fishes are discovered in Amazon rivers. And 30,000 types of insects are discovered and 3,000 types of spiders are discovered. And still there are plenty deadly animals are discovered like bullet ants and 120 types of deadly frogs. They are too dangerous frogs. One frog can kill 10 people at a time. The largest snakes are discovered in Amazon. They can reach length of 30 feet, means 9 meter. The weight is 550 pounds, means 250 kilogram. Number 3. World's biggest rivers is found in Amazon. And some rivers are hot enough. The temperature is 110 degrees centigrade. Water is evaporating 24 hours from those rivers. Now I am discuss very important point of Amazon. Amazon is very important part of this world because 20% of oxygen is produced by Amazon. Hypothetically, if 20% of oxygen reduced from this world, then all the human being will die. That's why we can say Amazon is a heart of this world. Take care of yourself. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.